What happens when one machine can do the job of 4? Most factories still process complex 3D parts, one table at a time, one head at a time, and lose hours every single shift. The problem isn't the design, it's the production bottleneck. This is the PRO-MASTER-T4X4H, a heavy-duty 5-axis CNC router with 4 working heads and dual work tables, built for factories that can't afford to slow down. 4 heads work simultaneously. 2 tables run at the same time. Complex 3D shapes, deep angles, and multi-side machining are completed in one setup with extreme precision. Powered by an LNC control system, high-torque spindles, and a rigid heavy-duty frame, this machine is designed for continuous, industrial-level production. What does that mean for your factory? Shorter cycle time, stable quality on every piece, less manual handling, higher output with the same workforce. If you produce 3D furniture parts, molds, sculpted panels, solid wood components, or high-value woodworking products, this machine changes how you scale. Watch until the end. We'll show who this machine is built for, who doesn't need it yet, and how to choose the right configuration to maximize ROI. Don't skip it.